Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise. Check your progress. Here, first of all, given question. First, tick the correct answer. So here you have to fill. Temperature is the degree of measurement of hotness or coldness of something. Okay. And in B part, you have to also fill temperature. Which instrument is used to measure the temperature? Then you can say that thermometer, which is thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure the temperature. And again here given that freezing point of water is, so 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point of water, because at 0 degree Celsius water freeze. Again given that in problem number D, boiling point of water is, so the boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. You have to fill. Again given that problem number second, you have to given that here a thermometer in which you have to say Shreya was not feeling well, so her mother took her temperature with the given thermometer. And also here given that read the thermometer and answer the following. First question. Here the first part of this problem number second, given that what was her temperature. So here you can see that the red line, red or pink line indicate the temperature of Shreya's body. Here the temperature of Shreya's body given that 102 degree centigrade, 102 degree Fahrenheit. At Fahrenheit scale, you can see at Fahrenheit scale here given that 102 degree Fahrenheit temperature of Shreya's body. Okay, and again now in part B given that why is there a box around 37 on the scale. Here also given that in pink color, separate of all, given that why is the another question is why is there a box around 37 on the scale. So in B, this box represents the normal body temperature, the normal body temperature at 37 degrees centigrade or 37 degrees Celsius. So this box is given, okay, around 37. So this is the problem, your problem number second. And again this is the solution of problem number second. And again you have to solve problem number 3. In problem number 3 also given that convert the following temperatures in degree Fahrenheit. So you have to convert in degree Fahrenheit and you have to given all the parts of this problem in degree Celsius. So first of all given that 37 degree Celsius, 37 degree centigrade. Sorry, here given the 35 degree centigrade. 35 degree centigrade given that. Degree centigrade given that plus 32 degree Fahrenheit. So you have to convert 35 degree centigrade in degree Fahrenheit. So first of all you have to multiply with 9 by 5 to convert this degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit into degree Fahrenheit. So first of all 5 7s are 35, 9 7s are 63 degree Fahrenheit, and plus also given that 32 degree Fahrenheit convert. Then you have to also add both these terms, 3 to 5 and here 69. So 95 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature. Okay. Again, there are so many parts in this question, problem number 3rd. So you have to solve all the parts of this as this method. Okay. One part also I solve here. Part number Z, given that 220 degree centigrade. 220 degree centigrade, we have to convert this into degree Fahrenheit. So first of all, what we have to do in it? So 220 degree centigrade into 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit plus 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So from here we get 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, because here remain 2 and 2 0 also 20, then 5 4s are 20. Then 44 into 9 degree Fahrenheit plus also 32 degree Fahrenheit you have to add in it. So you get 9 4s are 36 63, 9 4s are 36 3, 39 degree Fahrenheit plus also 32 degree Fahrenheit and is equal to 6 to 8 9 3 12 to 1 1 3 4. So 420 degree 28 degree Fahrenheit is the given temperature of this problem, and you have to also solve all the parts of this problem. Now again we have to go our problem number 3 and we have to solve also that. Here also given that problem number 4. In problem number 4, convert the following temperatures into degree centigrade. You have to also convert this into degree centigrade. Okay. So to convert in degree centigrade, you have to subtract minus 32 given temperature, and also you have to multiply with 5 by 9. Problem number 4, part A, given that 97 degree Fahrenheit. So you have to convert this into degree centigrade. So first of all, we have to subtract minus 32 in this. Okay. And also we have to multiply this given temperature by 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Okay. Then we get 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 into 5 by 9 degree centigrade. Okay. So from here we divide 65 by 9. So we get 9 7s are 63. Here remain 2, and also we take here point. Then 2 became 20. Then 9 to the 18 also remain 2. Then also 9 to the 18. So on and into 5 degree centigrade. So here you have to multiply 7.22 into 5 with 5, and you have to get your answer. 5 to the 20, 0 to 5 to the 10, 0 1, 5 to the 10, 1 11 1, 1 5 7 35 1 36, and you have to take decimal after 2 digit. Then you will get 36.10 degree centigrade. This is your answer. Okay. Again we have to solve problem number 5. Here you have to also given a map of India. In map of India you have to see that what is the temperature at anywhere place, and you have to also given that many places here in this map. So you have to also see this. Here given that in problem number 5 A, which place is the coolest of all. So coolest of all you have to see here Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is the coolest of all. Coolest of all the places. All the places which has given in the map of Mother India. Okay. So this is the solution of your first part, and again given that which place is the hottest. Sorry, this is the hottest place. This is the hottest place. Ahmedabad is the hottest place. This is the answer of part B. And coolest place, part A, given that Srinagar. Srinagar is the coolest place, and Ahmedabad is the hottest place. Okay. This is the solution first. This is solution second, B, and and also given that here how much higher is the temperature of Mumbai as compared to Guwahati. So first of all we have to see temperature of Mumbai. Here given that temperature of Mumbai 33 degree centigrade. Okay, Mumbai's temperature given that temperature of Mumbai given that 33 degree centigrade, and Guwahati here given that Guwahati in Assam, Guwahati is also the capital of Assam, and Guwahati's temperature given that 26 degree centigrade. Guwahati's temperature given that 26 degree centigrade. Okay, so from here you have to ask that how much higher is the temperature of Mumbai as compared to Guwahati. Then you have to subtract the temperature of Guwahati from Mumbai, and you also find that 33 degree centigrade minus 26 degree centigrade. You also find here 3 minus 6, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, and here also given that 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 7 degree centigrade is the difference between the temperature of Guwahati and Mumbai. Okay, so 7 degree centigrade the higher the temperature of Mumbai. You have also write this 7 degree centigrade is the higher the temperature of Mumbai than Guwahati. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem number C. And also here given that in problem number D, how much lower is the temperature of Patna from the Kolkata. So here given that the temperature of Kolkata 34 degree centigrade, and the temperature of Patna is given that 33 degree centigrade. So the difference between the temperature of Patna and Kolkata is 1 degree centigrade. So 1 degree centigrade is the temperature lower than Kolkata of Patna. Okay, so 1 degree temperature of Patna is lower than the Kolkata. Again given that here how many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degree centigrade in Bhopal. So you see that the temperature of Bhopal given that 37 degree centigrade. So it should be 3 degree centigrade rising. If you have to write if the temperature of Bhopal, if the temperature of Bhopal rise 3 degree Celsius, then it reach 40 degree centigrade. 40 degree centigrade. Okay, again given that what is the difference in the maximum and minimum temperatures of Srinagar. So also given that maximum temperature of Srinagar 15 degree centigrade, and the minimum temperature of Srinagar given that 7 degree centigrade. So the difference between the maximum and minimum temperature of Srinagar 15 minus 7 is equal to 80 degree centigrade. Okay, so this is the solution of D, and in E you have to also subtract minus 7 degree centigrade lower temperature, and you get 8 degree centigrade. Okay, so this is the solution of this problem. Here again given that the maximum temperature in the month of June was 40 degree centigrade. Convert it into degree Fahrenheit. So you have to convert in degree Fahrenheit to 40 degree centigrade. You have also convert this into degree Fahrenheit. You have to convert this 40 minus 32 degree centigrade into 5 by 9. Okay, in degree Fahrenheit is that. Okay, so here from 8 into 5 by 9 degree Fahrenheit. Sorry, in degree Fahrenheit you have to convert it, then 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Then you get from here 8 9 is 72 upon 5 degree Fahrenheit. Then you will be get 5 1 is 5. Here remain 2 2 22. 5 4 is 20. Then here remain 2. Then 5 4 is 20 also 14.4 degree Fahrenheit. Now again we are given that in the month of July the maximum and minimum temperatures of a day were 42 degree centigrade and 27 degree centigrade respectively. Find the difference of the temperatures in degree Fahrenheit. So first of all, here given that in the month of July the maximum and minimum temperatures of the day respectively, and find the difference of the temperatures in degree Fahrenheit. So first of all you have to find the difference. In problem number 7, first of all you have to find out the difference. So the difference between the temperature, the 42 degrees Celsius minus 27 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 15 degrees Celsius. And you have to also convert it into degree Fahrenheit. So 15 degree centigrade you have to convert it degree Fahrenheit. To convert it degree Fahrenheit, first of all you have to here 15 into 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit plus 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 5 3 is 15, 3 9 is 27 degree Fahrenheit plus 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 7 to 9, 3 to 5, 59 degree Fahrenheit is the answer. Okay. Now problem number 8 and 9 you have to solve. We finish here this chapter, and next day we also start to solve chapter number 16. Here volume given that. Now thank you children.